Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Niche, of course, and if you're new, a warm welcome to you as well. I hope you'll like, share, subscribe, and of course let's go straight into the video. Alright, love you. So for today we're going to talk about basic greetings here, and I'm going to take you away. So I'll give you a little bit of history, just a little tips here about Jamaica. Please enjoy. As you know, I'm going to translate it from Patois to English this time. Now, where you depend? Where you depend? What are you doing? So number one, where you are deal with, where you are deal with, or where you deal with, where you deal with. All right, means what are you up to? What are you doing? A sentence you can't say, boy, I'm not feel safe, you know. Where you deal with. All right, you get it. Number two. Now for this word, very popular here in Jamaica. Some pronounce it wapen, or some will say wapen. Wapen. What happened to you now? Simple means what's happening, or in the past, what happened. To use it in a sentence now. How you look so sad? Number three, where you depend. Where you depend. Where you depend. You get it? Alright. Simple mean what are you doing, or what are you up to? Someone might call you. You can say this in a sentence. I'm going to cook now, you know. Where you depend. Alright? You can always use your own now. So let's go to number four. This one is a common one we use here in Jamaica. You can say hey, or you know, yo. Not everybody like it, but you might find it in the more male dominant part of it, you know. And it can also be used as a greeting or not such of a greeting. If you get what I say, like yo, yeah. yo. Mean like yo, stop, kind of pause. But we are do, you know. So as you see it, hi or hey. Americans use this one as well. I don't really greet my friends like this. It's only if like there's an accident, say yo. You know, watch your back or something of that sort. Alright, then this video has come to an end. I thank Uno. I need to put it in a pot up there now. Thank Uno for watching. See you on Thursday at 6 p.m. Bye.